The story continued to take another unexpected turn after Prophet Walter Magaya appeared before the court. As he was leaving the court premises, police officers informed him that there were fresh legal matters that required him to remain in custody while the legal process continued. The development surprised many people who were nearby because it happened shortly after the earlier court proceedings had ended. At that moment, many questions began to come up. People wanted to know what had happened and why another arrest had taken place so quickly. The answer given by the authorities was that there were additional allegations that required further legal action. It is important to remember that these are allegations before the court, and the court will decide the outcome after hearing all the evidence from both sides. Walter Magaya has remained one of the most recognized church leaders in Zimbabwe for many years. Through his ministry, thousands of people have attended church services, prayer meetings, conferences, and charity events. Many people know him because of his preaching, his football club, and different business projects. Because of that, every development involving him quickly becomes national news. After news of the latest arrest became public, many Zimbabweans started following every update carefully. Some people said they were surprised because they did not expect another legal development immediately after the court appearance. Others said the justice system should be allowed to do its work without interference so that every fact can be examined properly. One thing that makes this story different is that everyone seems to have a different opinion. Some people continue to support Prophet Walter Magaya and believe that he should be given a fair opportunity to defend himself in court. Others believe that whenever serious allegations are made, the law should investigate them fully before any conclusions are reached. At the end of the day, only the court can decide what is true after listening to all the evidence presented by both the prosecution and the defense. That is why it is always important to wait for the legal process instead of rushing to conclusions. My viewers, if you appreciate balanced and reliable Zimbabwe news, please take 1 second to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you have not already done so, and turn on the notification bell. Your support helps us continue bringing you the latest stories as they develop. As the news continues spreading across Zimbabwe, discussions became even bigger. In homes, workplaces, public transport, and social media platforms, many people wanted to understand exactly what this latest court development could mean. Some people remember previous legal matters involving the prophet, while others simply wanted to know what would happen next. Legal experts explained that an arrest does not mean someone has been found guilty. An arrest simply means that investigators and prosecutors believe there are legal issues that should be presented before a court. After that, the court listens carefully to both sides before making any decision. That is why the coming court appearances will be very important. Lawyers representing Prophet Walter Magaya are expected to continue presenting his defense, while prosecutors will continue presenting the evidence they believe supports their case. The magistrate will then make decisions according to Zimbabwean law. This story has also reminded many Zimbabweans about the importance of respecting the country's legal system. No matter how popular or well-known someone may be, the courts are responsible for deciding legal matters. The same principle applies to every citizen because justice must be based on evidence and the law. Many church members have continued praying and hoping for a positive outcome. They believe their spiritual leader deserves a fair hearing and that the truth will eventually come out through the court process. At the same time, others believe every complaint brought before the court should be investigated carefully and fairly. That is why emotions remain high on every side. Supporters remain hopeful, while others continue following every update from the court. Despite all these opinions, the final decision will not come from social media or public discussions. It will come from the courtroom after the legal process has been completed. One lesson many people are taking from this story is that patience is very important whenever legal matters are involved. Court cases often take time because judges and magistrates must carefully examine documents, hear witnesses, and allow both sides to explain their positions before reaching any conclusion. My viewers, if you are enjoying this update and you want more balanced Zimbabwe news every day, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you very much for your amazing support. The next court appearance is expected to attract even more attention because many people are waiting to hear what happens next. Every new development will likely bring fresh discussions as Zimbabwe continues following this important story.